In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Pipedrive contacts more searchable. This quick tutorial will help you optimize your Pipedrive experience by ensuring that your contacts are easier to find and manage, which can save you time and boost your productivity. So let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to pipedrive.com. Once you're there, glance over to the top right corner of the page and click on the login button. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials, so carefully type in your email and password. Always make sure that your password is secure and not easily guessed, as this is vital for protecting your account information. After entering your login details, click the login button to access your dashboard. This is where the magic happens, so make sure you're logged into the correct account. Now that you're logged in, let's focus on making your contacts more searchable. First, navigate to either the leads or contacts section. This area is crucial because it's where all your interactions are held, and a little extra organization can make a world of difference. Start by selecting the contact you wish to make more searchable. Here, you'll want to use labels effectively. Assign relevant labels that describe the contact in concise and recognizable terms. This is particularly helpful when you have a lot of contacts and need to distinguish between them quickly. Next, let's dive into editing or customizing fields. Fields can store vital pieces of information that help define a contact further, such as their job title, company, or industry. Customizing these fields with information pertinent to your needs makes it easier when you conduct a search later on. Once you've adjusted the fields to your liking, don't forget the all-important step to click Save. This ensures your changes are committed and nothing gets lost as you move on to other tasks. Beyond labels and fields, consider adding notes for each deal or contact. The notes can contain details such as recent interactions or important reminders about that contact. Input notes that are brief but informative, helping anyone searching to understand the context quickly. When your notes are complete, look for the Save button again and click it to ensure your updates are stored safely. And that's it. By following these steps, you've made your Pipedrive contacts more searchable, optimizing how you manage and retrieve your customer relationships.